Top 5 String Trimmer. Number 5. Worx String Trimmer. The Worx Cordless String Trimmer GT 3.0 20V power share provides versatile lawn maintenance with its 2-in-1 design, effortlessly converting from a string trimmer to an edger in seconds. Its innovative push-button command feed spool system ensures instant line feeding. With a full 90 degrees cutting head, it tackles sloped terrain and hard-to-reach areas easily. Its adjustable handle, 12-inch cutting diameter, 5.3 pounds machine weight, make it easy to use. Its rubberized wheels provide support and guidance for cleaner cuts, while the adjustable spacer guard prevents damage to plants and landscape features. Number 4. WORKPRO Cordless Trimmer. The WORKPRO Cordless Grass Shear and Shrubbery Trimmer provides versatile lawn care with its 2-in-1 design, seamlessly switching between mowing and hedging. It is equipped with a powerful motor, which fulfills the pruning needs for beginners and experts alike. It is lightweight and easy to use for one-handed operation and is suitable for users of all ages. The Type-C charging system provides convenience, allowing charging from various sources. With sharp blades and easy replacements, it ensures precise trimming of lawns, hedges, and garden edges. Its safety features like the dual lock design prioritize user safety, making it suitable for both adults and children. Number 3. DeWalt String Trimmer. The DeWalt 20V Max String Trimmer designed for durability with a 14-inch swath, it efficiently covers a wide cutting area, ensuring effective lawn maintenance. It offers convenient storage and transportation with its folding hinge. When folded, its reduced length enhances portability. Its variable speed trigger allows users to customize between performance and runtime, which is catering to diverse trimming needs. As a battery-powered tool, it offers cordless freedom without compromising power, making it an ideal choice for both professional landscapers and homeowners seeking efficient and reliable lawn care equipment. Number 2. Husqvarna Gas String Trimmer. The Husqvarna Gas String Trimmer is a versatile yard tool with a powerful engine and a 17-inch cutting width, which is ideal for tackling various yard work tasks. It has a tap-and-go trimmer head, which ensures quick line feed for uninterrupted operation. Its Smart Start technology facilitates easy and fast starting with minimal effort, while the air purge system enhances starting reliability by removing air from the carburetor and fuel system. Its detachable shaft allows for convenient storage and transport, adding to its overall versatility and user-friendly design. Number 1. BLACKDECKER String Trimmer. The BLACKDECKER String Trimmer with auto feed is suitable for hassle-free line feeding with automatic feed spool (AFS) technology, which eliminating the need for manual bumping. Its 6.5 ampere motor and power drive transmission ensure maximum performance against tough weeds and overgrowth. This 2-in-1 trimmer has a wheeled edge guide for seamless conversion. With a lightweight design, adjustable handle, and height positions, it guarantees comfort and control during operation. Thanks for watching the video. The links of the products we discuss in this video are provided in the video description. Please check out the video description and find the product links to buy your favorite products. If you think the video is helpful, please like, share and comments the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.